Hello hobbyists, it's Pistachio again, with another video. So this time I'm just putting together some ITA bags. One of them I've had for a while. You can see all the inserts are literally to my right. I have a little box of goodies. It's a little bubble tea kit that I used up. But I got myself an ITA backpack for my laptop and just for weekend trips. It's really cute, and loves Agave's, if that's how you pronounce it. I love their pins for Homestuck. However people feel about Homestuck, I don't care anymore. I grew up with that. I have all the books. I have the version for your desktop, the unofficial collection, which is sort of official. But yeah, the top I've reserved for my purple characters. I guess I have a type. But the bottom insert is gonna be a character who's kind of outside the realm of characters I typically like. He's got more of a red, gold, and white theme. And this character is gonna be from the Arcana, which is actually a game that finished up recently by Nyx Hydra. And I feel bad that they got bought out by this other story company called Dorian, because their stories are so low quality, and they constantly rag on the Arcana, which I really dislike, because the Arcana was crafted with a lot of love. I think at one point it got some flack for a character that wore a head covering, and there's some, anybody can wear a head covering. People have been wearing head coverings for multiple different reasons forever. To keep your hair clean, to show your status. I don't know. It just got messy. But it's so sad that people don't even think about it anymore. But he's the main villain. And to be honest, most of these characters are sort of villainous in some way. Terrible taste. But here's the ITA bag insert I had before. I'm going to take that, and that's going to be for my backpack. And I have all this cool stuff to go with him. I've got his little red beetle, and I got another red beetle that was somebody's thrift find that they sold on Etsy. And it's beautiful. It's gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. And of course I have my little ticket to hell, because that's kind of where he belongs. And I'm sorry, it looks like the sound peaked. I'm trying to keep my microphone as far as I can. Of course, I'm going to pick a couple more things. Got this planchette. I got that in Salem, Massachusetts. Really cool. It has a little glass you can look through. Yeah, it's really, really cool. I'm just kind of going with his ghostly theme, because he does die and bothers the heck out of you as the player. He just causes... He's problems, I'm making them. So here we go. Just gonna kind of put that together. We'll sew them on, because that makes it easier. This is just a classic ITA bag trick. And the inserts are actually pretty hard. So if you want to do this, definitely wear some thimbles, and use the thimbles to push the needle through for you, elsewise your fingers are going to hurt really bad. I did have to redo some of these a couple times because they just weren't in the right place, but they work pretty good. For the middle part, that's actually that was an acrylic standee. I sewed it at the top and bottom so it kind of stays in place. But yeah, it wasn't really meant for this, but works pretty well. You can see the thread. But just all the... I think people actually have a vendetta against this character. I'm yeah, he did bad stuff. He's not a good person. But gotta give him credit. Boy is beautiful. So, I don't know why I became so attached to him out of, all 6 of the candidates. But that's just me. You can still play the Arcana for free, by the way. There's also this loophole with some of the mini games where you could get keys to play the stories. And you could just get infinite keys. So I exploited the hell out of that. So if I ever go back, I usually just buy everything. And the original creators sold it off, so I don't think they care anymore that this loophole is still like around. I think the loophole is that you unlock certain things, and then once you go to collect your prize, it'll still say collect when you click the first time. Keep clicking it until it disappears, and you will have so many keys and coins you won't even know what to do with them. But anyways, yeah, we'll put the top part together, kind of mimicking the original insert for my other bag. So I have these really cool little post-it notes. I think those are also from Zagave. They make a lot of Homestuck stuff. I'm like, my wallet. Everybody should have a favorite artist to support, you know? So nice. And I'm just sticking another insert in here. That's my video game one. I have like a lot of these collector's pins. I just like to keep them together sometimes. I think I'd really like to make some new inserts for this bag, but I usually have to like cut them and paint them out of, it's on cardboard, and it's kind of like time consuming, so I don't feel like doing that. I already have so many different inserts. But yeah, I wish I knew where the little juice keychains came from. My friend got me the little juice keychains, but yep, here's my bag. I'll show you my laptop. You can see I'm a little sticker fiend. I like to use stickers. You shouldn't be scared to use them. So this makes a great little day bag if you're like going somewhere for a weekend. So cute and functional. I'll show you a picture here in the sun in a second. Yeah, I just got like tons of keychains from the actual developers, but yeah, this was so fun. Well, I hope to see you next time. Thank you. Bye.